am attempting to make a Nutella cheesecake. Microwave my Nutella for just about 5 to 10 seconds. There we go, got it slightly softened. My no-bake cheesecake. Okay, I'm gonna leave it kind of swirly, I like that. Then I got my pie crust. So now we're gonna put this in our pie crust. It's set up in the fridge, and then we're gonna put our topping on. Yum. You want an easy no-bake cheesecake recipe so you don't have to buy it? Dining on a Dime Volume 2 on page 304. I will link the recipe on our website at livingonadime.com, and the video will be linked down below. Nutella that I microwaved here. Okay, I'm gonna microwave it for just a bit more, just to get a little bit runnier. Topping, or you can do whipped cream, whichever you want. That's spread on. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna drop it on here and we're gonna swirl it. Guys, I'm just making this up as I go along, so we'll see. All right, there is my no-bake Nutella cheesecake.